Tuesday, October 23rd, 2025. The lunch menu for today: pizza sticks, green beans, fruit, and a milk. In news and activities, please remember that our kindness engineers are collecting cards for the Daughters of the American Revolution. That card box is in the office. All cards will be due on Friday. Tonight is our fun fall family event. Join us at McKinley STEM for our haunted hallways. Dress in costume and tour the haunted hallways from 4:30 until 6 in your Halloween costume. Remember that there will be food trucks for purchases of snacks and maybe dinner. That's for parents and for students. Teachers, if you have not signed up for a station, please do so today in the office. We look forward to seeing everyone tonight at our McKinley Fun Fall event. The Kindness Engineers are sponsoring a Halloween Spirit Week all next week. Donate $1 to dress down according to the theme of the day. All proceeds will benefit the Jefferson County United Way. On Monday, October 27th, Magical Monday, wear a Disney or Marvel character shirt. On Tuesday the 28th, Tired Tuesday, wear your PJs to school. Remember, no slippers. On Wednesday the 29th, it's Wacky Wednesday, Crazy Hair or Hat Day. Thursday, October 30th, Tacky Thursday, mix and match, nothing matches. And on Friday, Halloween, October 31st, wear a fun fall shirt or Halloween shirt as we celebrate the Halloween weekend. Congratulations to the following students. The goal for our Community Connections team: students will reach 85% or higher on a math topic test. Remember that every time that you receive that score, your name went into a hat to be pulled for a very handsome reward. The winners will win a sweet treat and a gift card from our community partner, the Fresh Twist Juice and Smoothie Bar. Get ready for the announcement for the winners. In kindergarten, congratulations, Gigi Militek. First grade, Kiana Smith. Second grade, Jamison Jones. Third grade, Audrey Taylor. Fourth grade, Addie Walters. Congratulations to all of our winners. At the conclusion of the announcements, you may come to the office for your handsome reward. Children using a complete sentence, please tell Mrs. Gorman, why are we here today? Who is responsible for your learning? The McKinley mission statement. We are responsible for our actions and for doing our best work every day. Will you please stand for the McKinley STEM Pledge and remain standing for the Pledge of Allegiance? I pledge to myself on this very day to try to be kind in every way. To every person, big and small, I will help them if they fall. When I respect myself and others too, that is the best that I can do. We are proud students of McKinley STEM. We are the best that's ever been. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. I see some patriotic students out there in the hallways. You heard the Pledge of Allegiance being said and you stopped where you were, you put your hand over your heart, and you waited until the pledge was complete to travel on. Good job, patriots. Have a great day of learning, and remember that we are McKinley STEM, the best that has ever been. Students, please gather your materials, push in your chairs, and prepare to switch quietly for reading and math. Winners of the Community Connections Math Goal, please make your way to the office for your handsome reward. Okay, good job. You made the grade. I'm so proud of you. There you go, and there's your gift card, so don't lose it. Okay, great job. Great job on the first quarter Math MVP, it says. Congratulations, buddy. Audrey, there you go. Congratulations. I'm so proud of you. Great job, Addie. Keep up the great work, honey. Gigi, I'm so proud of you. Are you so excited?
Yes.
Do you know where Fresh Twist is?
No.
You'll have to ask Mommy. It's right on Sunset Boulevard, so don't lose that gift card, okay?
Okay.
They have fantastic smoothies. Do you eat smoothies?
I do.
Oh, awesome job. Good job.
Sometimes I eat smoothies from McDonald's.
Awesome. Congratulations.